Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to link Google Assistant to the power button on Redmi A3 Pro. To link Google Assistant to the power button, go to Settings, then Additional Settings, Gesture Shortcuts, and then Launch Digital Assistant. And when you disable it or enable it, it will enable or disable launching Digital Assistant with power button. When this option is enabled and you want to access the power menu, then you need to click on power and volume up at once, like that, and this will bring the power menu. But if you want to if you disable it and want to access power menu, you just need to press and hold on the power button. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.